Did you know that there are over 600,000 chemicals existing today, and over 30 million workers are either exposed to or work with those chemicals? And many of them can be hazardous. And sometimes it feels like the cleaning and restoration industry uses about 599,000 of those. I'm David Hodge with Reets Drying Academy, and this is another quick tip. OSHA regulates our use of hazardous chemicals according to the Hazard Communication Standard. Now, the United States adopted what's called the Globally Harmonized System in 2012. And under the GHS, they classify hazardous chemicals according to three hazard classifications: physical, health, and environmental. OSHA just has regulations regarding physical and health hazards. Now, every year, OSHA releases their most top 10 cited violations of their standards for the previous year. And in 2020, out of the top 10 most cited violations, 3 out of the top 6 were regarding the hazard communication standard. The most cited infraction was violation of that standard, number 1, for not having written programs. Number 3 was violation of the standard for not maintaining safety data sheets or chemical labels. And then number 6 was violation of that standard for not supplying proper training to employees. Safety data sheets, labeling, and training are all requirements under your written hazard communication standard. Do you have one? Is it comprehensive enough? Maybe something you should look at. I'm David Hodge, and this has been another quick tip.